refurbished this room on the right because
Okay.
it was an outside flight, and now we've made it part of the room, and it's now has an indoor flight.
Okay.
This was Joe's bird room when he was a so there's only we have 30 breeding cages in here.
30 breeding cages, okay.
Yeah. And some small indoor flights for the birds, for the babies when they come. It saves us walking over to the main room with the babies all the time.
Okay.
The chicks can come directly from our nest boxes into the flight cages. You might ask why the nest boxes are so deep, and the theory behind this is that when the babies are born, they reach a certain size, and we lower down the material
Okay.
in the nest box,
Okay.
so the young birds cannot come out onto the floor.
All right.
The birds stay in the boxes, and they are moved at 6 to 7 weeks old
Okay.
from the nest box into the flight cages.
All right.
Therefore, your birds are not going hungry on the floor, or even worse, maybe being picked on by the parent birds, and at worst sometimes are attacked.
Okay.
So,
It's a good way.
2 full eggs. So that's the